So today we're starting off the day with a 2015 Ram 1500. I'm going to be replacing the blower motor. This one has the resistor. It's built into the blower motor itself, and the resistor's bad. When it came in, it wouldn't come on. I banged on the motor, got it to finally work. I already checked for power ground. On these Rams, you have to be careful. This blue wire is the power. It comes from the fuse box out there. You need to make sure that this pin in the bottom of that fuse box isn't fried. So I've had a couple of them come in and they need a new fuse box because it burnt the pin and it burnt the connector, so you have to change the pigtail at the end of for this. It's like a 40 or 50 pin connector. So always check that before you go and start this, or at least make sure you have good power and ground. I use like a 5 amp test light just to check this. So always check. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing out. Let me get you guys in a good place. Try to at least. Hopefully you can kind of see. Yeah, you can. So we're gonna unplug it. I think it's just 8s. It's actually really easy. And just always make sure this isn't fried too. And these Dodges, everything like to burn up on them. 1/8. There's probably another one right here, and there's another one in the back. I don't know if I'll be able to get to it with my ratchet. Yeah, I'm gonna grab a short one. So we got a semi-deep 8. That's better. It's a little closer. One blower motor out. Oh, dirt. And you want to make sure you line up the vent just to make it easy. I think that's like the breather for the blower motor. Okay, I'll try to start them and get one in. Okay, let's get this one. I gotta put that kick panel back on. Okay, plug the blower motor back in. Okay, now let's put the panel back on. I took this off, I didn't show you guys this part. This panel right here. It goes, I'm assuming above that. Move that over. Gotta plug this in first. Okay, then we can just verify. Okay, we're all done. Now we got nice air out of the vents. So we're starting the next one.